Millions of people pay for Tableau every month, with no idea these free AI tools exist. By the end of this video, you'll discover the top free AI tools for data visualization that professionals actually use. But I'll let you in on a secret. The most surprising tool is saved for last, so keep watching to see which one will revolutionize your data analysis. First up is Google Data Studio, which helps you create interactive, web-based data visualizations with ease. For example, a marketing team used Data Studio to create a real-time dashboard for tracking website traffic, allowing them to adjust their campaigns on the fly. Quick tip: use the built-in Google Analytics integration to get started quickly. Next is Microsoft Power BI, which offers a robust set of data visualization tools, including interactive dashboards and reports. A sales team used Power BI to create a geographic visualization of customer locations, helping them identify new sales opportunities. Quick tip: take advantage of the free templates to speed up your workflow. Number 3 is D3.js, a powerful JavaScript library for producing dynamic, interactive data visualizations in web browsers. A data journalist used D3.js to create an interactive map showing the impact of climate change on global temperatures, allowing readers to explore the data in depth. Quick tip: start with the official tutorials to get familiar with the library. Here is a powerful one: Matplotlib, a popular Python library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations. A scientist used Matplotlib to create a heat map of gene expression data, helping them identify patterns in the data. Quick tip: use the built-in customization options to make your visualizations publication-ready. Another great tool is Plotly, which allows you to create interactive, web-based visualizations with ease. A financial analyst used Plotly to create an interactive dashboard for tracking stock prices, enabling them to make data-driven investment decisions. Quick tip: use the built-in support for over 40 different chart types to find the best visualization for your data. Next up is Gephi, an open-source platform for network data analysis and visualization. A researcher used Gephi to create a visualization of social network connections, helping them identify key influencers in the network. Quick tip: use the built-in clustering algorithms to identify patterns in the data. But I saved the best for last: RawGraphs, a free, open-source tool for creating custom, interactive data visualizations with ease. A designer used RawGraphs to create a stunning visualization of music festival attendance data, allowing them to explore the data in a unique and engaging way. Quick tip: use the built-in support for SVG export to create high-quality visualizations for print or web use. In recap, we've covered 6 powerful free AI tools for data visualization: Google Data Studio, Microsoft Power BI, D3.js, Matplotlib, Plotly, and RawGraphs. Each of these tools offers a unique set of features and capabilities, and by using them, you can take your data analysis to the next level. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content, and check out the rest of the AI Toolbox series, where we explore the best free AI tools for a range of applications.